Tijon began its fragrant journey in the village of Grande Cause on the French Caribbean island of Sint Maarten, combining French traditionalism with the spirit and scents of the Caribbean. Tijon opened its doors to the public in 2007. French Sint Maarten offers natural beauty of the lands, the seas, and the people. The French influences style, elegance, and tradition, while the Caribbean conjures sun, beaches, blue waters, carnivals, and holidays. A perfume is an act of poetic thought, emphasizing its personality and character. Tijon is a boutique perfumery where each bottle is handcrafted. Tijon also offers one-of-a-kind perfume-making experiences. It's the only place in the world where you can create your own perfume. With a lab coat and workbook, you will choose from over 300 oils, making 3 perfumes, and bottling the one that you like best. Tijon also offers the opportunity to reorder your perfume. To date, over 12,000 people have made perfume at Tijon. Tijon has taken the best practices of the perfumeries of Grasse, France, and placed a tropical orientation and attainable immersion for all to participate.